Hello, my name is Kia. I'm the Senior Product Manager here at WARN Industries. Today we're actually at the headquarters located in Clackamas, Oregon, the main facility where the engineering, purchasing, manufacturing, and testing work is done for all of our products that are in the field today. One of the cool things that we have here is our WARN Authorized Service Center. It's actually just in the back of our building, and you'll see where the general service repair and warranty work is done for all the products out in the field. The facility here in Clackamas, Oregon services much of the Pacific Northwest region. WARN is extremely unique in that it provides a network of authorized service centers all around the country. No matter where you are, there's a WARN service center available to you. Every day, they perform warranty repairs, general service work, and any other repair the customer may ask for. All these service centers are staffed with skilled technicians that not only have the people, but the parts and the know-how and the technical expertise. No matter what you need, we will be there for you. I would like to introduce you guys to Guy. He's a longtime member of the WARN family. He's been working here for quite some time across various areas of the manufacturing floor. He currently runs this shop. Guy, would you like to tell us a little bit about yourself?
Well, I started here in 2008 through a temp agency. I worked a couple years in mid-frame building the M8s, the 9.5 Ti's.
Yeah.
I worked a few years up in the large frame. From there, I went to the 8274 lines.
Oh, wow.
And then I went into the Olympus winch, which most people have not heard of, but it's the world's most powerful electric winch. From there, I just naturally came into the service center because, I'll fix them now.
Yeah.
You know.
It's a great story. You built all that knowledge out on the floor, and now you have the ability to help thousands of people in the field, right?
Yeah.
Over time.
And I got over time, the muscle memory, everything. And I just know these things like
inside and out.
Back of my hand, yeah.
How many winches do you guys think you run through in a yearly basis?
I think we do probably a couple hundred a year.
A couple hundred a year? Wow. So going back in your time here in the service center, what is the oldest winch that you've serviced that you can tell me about?
That would have to be the 8274 from the 70s.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, they go back that far. These winches become part of the family.
Right.
You know, they've had so many experiences, so many times it saved them.
Yeah.
And it just runs year after year after year.
Yeah.
And then eventually 4 or 5 decades later, you know, needs some electronics, needs cleanup, you know, and they bring it in. They don't want anything to do with anything. They want their baby to be fixed, you know.
Yeah.
So
that's such a great story for them to come in and have so much of an attachment to a product.
An emotional attachment.
Right, an emotional attachment to a product, and for you to take care of it and then send them on their way. And that must be truly a special moment for you.
The moments when you bring it back.
Yeah.
When they come in to pick it up.
Yeah.
I've had old guys almost in tears.
Wow.
To see that it's been revived.
Right.
You know, like
just to see all those memories come back alive again and to go out and use it.
Yeah.
So you were telling me that this is a refurbished model, and a lot of the WARN winches can actually get reserviced and rebuilt. That's actually really cool because a lot of the products out there in the society that we live in, a lot of things is just throwaway, right? And so for me to have the option that if I want to keep the winch that's been on my vehicle for 8 to 10 years, and I can come in and work with great master builders like you guys in the service center, all I have to do is just pay a fraction of the cost and my winch will be as good as new, and I can go ahead and extend the life for it once again.
It's well worth it.
Yeah.
We stand behind every winch that we work on. So
it's fantastic.
You bring that in here a couple years down the road, something happens, you bring it back, we'll have records of it.
Yeah.
We'll take care of you.
Yep. And I get thinking about the winches and seeing all the ones that are coming back. There are obviously some of the things that the owner or current winch users, such as myself or everybody else out there, that can do to kind of prevent from the winches coming back in here and trying to maintain them and provide a little more love to them. What do those things look like, and what are some failure points that you see that we can avoid?
Letting them sit for years is the worst thing you can do. If you're not using it regularly, once or twice a year or something, run that cable out, run it back in, just get the grease moved around, get everything, lubricated. Keep your rope clean. You got wire rope, you got synthetic rope. There's two schools of thought on that. The wire rope, they know it's going to be there 20 years from now. It'll be fine. Synthetic rope is lighter, easier to handle.
Both of them do have to be taken care of, right? Ultimately, is what it comes down to.
Yeah, keeping it clean basically though, running it regularly.
Yeah.
And maybe not have it submerged underwater for a year.
Yeah. Long period of time. Yeah. So when I do go out in the field and I am wheeling with my buddies or whoever else is with me, and I utilize the winch often, right? It might be in a muddy area or in a sandy or gritty area. What should I do when I get home? Do I just leave it on the truck, or are there some things I can do to kind of prevent further damage to the winch?
I'd say washing off the rope.
Yeah.
letting it be out in the air, it'll, there's things that are built in to let moisture out.
Yeah.
In the drum support, we got little divots and stuff,
almost.
and you just keep it out, keep it clean. I'd take care of the rope. I wouldn't worry about the rest.
Yeah.
It seemed to be fine.
Yeah. Well, thank you, Guy, for taking the time to walk us around the shop and tell us all about the winches and all the repairs and services you've done over the year. Also giving the users and viewers a little bit of information on how they can protect their winches over time. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Glad to be part of it.
Yes, thank you.
Talk to you later.
Yeah. For our viewers at home, if you would like to locate a service center near you, please just go on warn.com, where you'll be able to provide a full list of all the service centers around the country. For our international viewers, please get in contact with your local dealer and they'll be able to provide you a list of the authorized WARN service centers in your area.